Welcome back. Pretty soon, if not already, parents of teenagers will have to make a decision on whether or not to get their child vaccinated. But what if the parents making that decision are divorced? Our Renee Skinner spoke to a local family attorney who says it's best to start having these conversations now.
What I'm seeing right now is that people are exhausted, they're worn out, they're tired of this pandemic.
And that exhaustion could be having an impact on the state of marital bliss in Colorado. Instead of those precious words, I do, more couples now saying, I won't.
They're finding that it's specifically higher amongst newlyweds and couples with young children.
Their ability to get out away from the home and have their own space, that's been restricted. There's been a lot of pent-up energy at home.
Bailey Nelson, an attorney at law, says divorce filings are up at her office and have been going up since the start of the pandemic. Nelson says, yes, couples are still fighting.
While we are seeing a higher divorce rate, we're also seeing a lot more people being compassionate.
But it's what they're fighting about that's changing.
People would be fighting over salt and pepper shakers. And now, clients are understanding that the physical aspects are not as important as making sure to co-parent properly and wisely.
In order to keep the peace, Nelson says divorced parents should be talking about another important issue they may be confronting soon.
Try to have that conversation whether or not you both believe it's appropriate to get your child vaccinated for COVID right now.
Nelson says only the parents who have been granted sole decision-making by a judge can make a unilateral decision on vaccinations. But if both parents have joint decision-making, it's best to talk it out first. But if the couple in question is separated, Nelson says seek out a third party.
They are usually an attorney or they're a former judge, and they are kind of like the referee between the two individuals.
Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Renee Skinner, News 5.
And we're here to work alongside you as we all look to rebound from this pandemic together. Let us know what you're doing and how we might be able to help. Just send us an email to rebound@koaa.com. Alan?
Well, Andy, I think this weekend